Hi, Nina.
Hi, I was waiting for you. Come on in. Welcome to our room. This is the common area where we all share. And as you can see, there is a lot of space, so we keep all our suitcases here. This is our little kitchen area where you can keep the kitchen supplies, your food. But let me show you my personal and all of the girls' favorite spot, the sink area, because this is where you do your makeup, where you get ready for the day. Now let me show you our bathroom and toilet. So this is the bathroom area, this is the toilet area, and now the best part, our actual rooms. Now let me show you the best part of our rooms, our personal space. So as you can see, this is the room for 3 people. This is the window side bed, the bottom bunk and the top bunk. All of us have our personal wardrobe, our desk where we do homework, and most importantly, you can decorate it and create your own personal space here. Decorate as much as you want. This is where we spend most of our times doing homework, hanging out with friends, just spending time on our own and so on. So me and Veronica live in one room and we share the common area with 2 other girls. Let's go meet them.
Hello, girls.
Hi, my name is Dora and I'm from Hungary. Meet my roommate.
Hi, my name is Vika. I'm from Ukraine. Thanks for visiting our room and we hope to see you soon at LCC.